Welcome back to the channel. Hi no hi Joton Lamsoko. So hi no gitu Fabrika government job ni notification or screen no no makana. Government of India Ministry of Railways Railway Recruitment Board. So in short, Railway Recruitment Board by Railway so Indian Railway so sebok lang jang ni thangi dong. Right. So nalini chang layer kari details pori nai nadi. Applications are invited applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following posts of non-technical popular categories, right? So non-technical posts more engineer you just have to be graduate or undergraduate. So nadi already duta table result tam post nadi nine or advertise number nine do or term say CN, that is centralized employment notice, advertisement number 5 2004 teka jaga 6 2004. So pulan jeng CN 05 2024, that is graduate dongni jeng kono vacancy no sugang jeng site ogun nalini tam noidi mo sebok lang ni je online application form ni starting date before nadi 14 September 2024 na hoite mo chengi resume so norok jodi interested hengai norok apply khaimono 14 September 2024 ni hoite and bini closing date ke before nadi 13 October 2024, right? So mo post ni bagi apply khene anga mo advertise, that is 05 2024 graduate post mon bagi apply khene you have to be minimum graduate. So tama post lang tong graduate dong ni nai cheng chief plus nadi chief commercial cum ticket supervisor, ठीक है. So mo busang nadi bini oro jaktongo bo bosor hoite bo bosor borok apply khaiman mo nadi 18 years to 36 year as on 2025 মানে 1st January 2025 jara 18 to 36 years ni boro apply khaiman. However norok mujonar sob somino je kono job ST SC OBC বা the young or the backward class rock bound by 5 years relaxation dong. So chin ST rong kai of course 45 years sorry 41 years joraro apply khaiman. So na di oro koita post dong 1736 station master ni bagi tongo age limit to joto ni sam do 18 to 36 years. Station master ni koita dong 994 post. Goods train manager के 3144 number of post vacancies. Junior account assistant cum typist मोखन आदि 1507. তারপরে রিজেক্ট হওয়ার সিনিয়র ক্লার্ক কাম টাইপিস্ট মোকে 732 আটিকে গ্রাজুয়েট দং নিবাগে টোটাল 813 টা পোস্ট দং সো নরগলে কারি মানে 14 September ফাইগাঙ্গান এপ্লাই যেখাইছে ইন্টারেস্টেড ক্যান্ডিডেট. However apply khaima by simi bong ya noro kaham ke prepare bo ma khanai tamne chin borok nang jenung mani tama advertisement to nailio apply bo khayo pia ba preparation asa kaham ke na hala ya bon bagi mane asung gong ma ya. However jotono koine nor kaham ke prepare khadi second nadi second ke tak as advertise ke tamo CN 06 2024 undergraduate post, that is nor at least 12 pass hanga na mono apply kaiman, ठीक है. So nadi baro koita post dong okay moni opening date of application ke 21 September 2024 ni hoite moni application cheng nor so do only online mode of application dong moni online simne apply kaimano offline nge. So bofru bini closing date nadi bofru closing date 10 October 2024 joranor apply khaiman ne mo bongkon bagi mo post ni bagi ta. So undergraduate post tam post ong nadi commercial cum clerk ticket clerk sorry commercial cum ticket clerk, ठीक है. So bini age reject ong nadi 18 to 33 years. So STSC ronike 33 plus 5 is 30 18 to 38 years jorok ST apply khemon ST ro STSC jara backward class report and na dioro ba bong salary visit salary not salary donor already no win dong no more notification no jodi download khane anke please on description box thangi link reject aro click khadi normal notification no download khaiman and take as an ID sorry a vacancy ID commercial come ticket clerk ngai 2002 ta vacancy tong bini তারপরে accounts clerk come typist ke 361 tong তারপরে রিজাল্ট tong oro taitamo junior clerk come typist moke 990 ta post tongo train clerks ronike 72 ta adike 345 ta post tongo totally undergraduate dong bagi under this advertisement ठीक है so जों advertisement होइते ताम नुखाजों जे railway recruitment board बा railway o seboklang thangai dong graduate post koita dong 8113 that is 8113 and undergraduate post dong 3445 अब जदि total खाइगें के a very good opportunity around 11050 ता post rock around ठीक है so एकदम good opportunity যারা apply খাইনা মজন যারা interested candidate রক নো আং কইনাই নো preparation যে চেংসি ঠিক আছে তারপরে দইতা মুতা মোর রিজাল্ট টং নাইকেনা ওকে most importantly নাইদি mode of examination নাই মো computer based exam নাই মানে online exam নাই মনি তারপরে exam fee রিজাল্ট টং যারা for all candidates except ST SC borok bese marine 500 rupees marine so nadi jara general candidates rong bagi bese ngai examination fee ba money fee ta apply khenen fee bese rupees 500 however or mo bese jak dong jara ST SC mane nadi an amount of 400 shall be refunded daily deducting bank charges on appearing on the computer based exam so serial number 2 je to mane ST SC ex serviceman PWD morong bade jara apply khene rok so jara ST SC bade rok borotam ngene nadi norok jokhonte online exam o achugo online exam achung mabune tamne 500 rupees nebising norok na 400 rupees kifil lo jang nai norok je ফাজিং রে নর অঙ্গ খায়ো নংনি রাং টান দিব ইউপিআই টিপেনা মানে গুগল পে টিপেনা খা বা নেট ব্যাংকিং টিপেনা খা আ জাগাওনো 400 rupees কিফিল ফাইনে নং এক্সাম আচু খাঙ্গা এক্সাম আচু কি হাঙ্গা কিফিল গলা and SPSC rong bai ke nadi exam fee 250 and nang thangi exam achu khangke 250 rupees te ever kifil 59 that is Simon honorok STSC rong bai ke nil no hin mano pulis ang rang maribo and exam achu ke rang joto no kifil fine and jara general candidates rong bai ke for 100 rupees exam fee hin mano tam ninge exam achu khangke no 400 rupees kifil fine 500 nimising arita so nadi norok mona apply khene bagi o websites of visit khadin jaw nadi on more these are the websites of RRBs participating in this and this advertisement so all website on visit khadi ठीक है তারপরে o website on visit ma khanete nadi application starting hangane o website on visit chi khasi mano 13 so but ek bachang quick summary khane tam tam salaike nadi angoni ba graduate dong ni bagai nadi bupurun hoite surung nai online ango application 14 ni hoite 14 September ni hoite 13 October jara and undergraduate post dong bagai 21 September ni hoite 20 October 2024 jara application mo chalu tong nai and take as an idea koita post dong undergraduate dong 3445 the post dong and graduate dong ni koita graduate dong ni 8130 asakta post dong so no apply khadi no hambai nai dong bagai thank you very much